2 spins later, hubby got the lightning link again. These machines are on fire, baby.
Give me one.
He don't want to hold the phone. He's trying to. I'm trying to hold. Him the phone. He don't want to hold it.
Save. Oh, I got a mini. That's 100. Save. Give me another mini. Can you save me? Save me with a minor. Last spin. Save me.
Major.
Save me. Oh. 205.
205, not bad. Keep getting these bonuses and $200 add up quick, baby. 5 times, that's a G-ball.
2 peas in the pot slots.
2 peas in the pot slots. Hey, 2 peas in the pot slots. 2 peas in the pot slots. Hey. All right, guys, if you are liking the content that we are providing, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our slot-tastic videos. And we'll be back. Bye. All right, my sweet peas, and we're back. 12.50 bet, 10 cent denom. I got a 5-symbol trigger. Not sure if it's gonna give me more games, but it's $125. Or is it $12.50? Wait, is that $1,250, guys? Oh, it is! Hand pay! Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. I gotta find hubby real quick. Babe, I got 5-symbol trigger, and it's a hand pay. All right, guys, sorry about that. Okay, here we go. Off the 5-symbol trigger. I'll take it though. Alright guys, if you are liking our content that we're providing, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our awesome videos. Bye. Alright, sweet peas, and we're back.
Saturday, within an hour of being here, I had a $350, a $500, and a $2,400 campaign. I was up over $3 grand in the first hour.
Wow, nice.
Obviously, I've lost most of that back.
Got the major again, guys.
That was good. You me spun it.
Come on, we want that grand. Let's go. Major on this machine.